My juice for this week is kale, strawberries, peaches, pineapples, honey, and water. Meal prep done for the week. Alright, so we have my kale juice each day for the week, and that's kale, peaches, pineapples, strawberries, honey, water. It looks really dark, but this is the elderberry tea that I made from the leftover berries from the elderberry syrup I just made. And this just has water and the leftover elderberries. I'll probably add honey each day to that. Then for breakfast, blueberry oatmeal. Then my snack for each day is apple slices. And then sandwiches this week, peanut butter and jelly. And then for dinner this week, I'm defrosting one of the jars of pasta sauce I made a while ago. I'll just cook spaghetti each day with onions, all my peppers and veggies tossed in there. And some days it'll just be like a vegan spaghetti. Some days I'll do like a chicken parmesan with these tenders and add some mozzarella cheese at the top. So just play it up each day so I don't get bored.